Do you remember, guys, when I told you that Marcel Paris sent me padlocks and locks? I have these 3 padlocks he sent me. So now I will try to pick them. Well, I won't try. I will pick them. I will start by this little cute master lock number 120. His big brother. Well, bigger brother. Here the 130. They have a spool in it. This one has a really weird bitting, but they have spools, but not the 120 since they are so tiny. Sorry for that, guys. I will use top of the keyway tension. It's typically a lock you will find in the luggage. So let's try to find a binder. I think it's pin 1. Come on, yeah, they will. I'm not into a great angle to see anything what I do. There we go, picked. When I look at what I do, I can pick it way quicker, so still works. I can't got them obviously, so I will move on to this one. And this one I will use bottom of the keyway. It's just the hook that Mike Berg sent me. I just put the H-ring tubing he sent along with them. So, with the back, tension, push some pins into place. There we go, and it's open. So lock it back up. No security pins whatsoever. The lock still works. Now I have this no-name Chinese padlock. Yeah, this one was a Canadian Tire Mastercraft piece of engineering. This one is a Chinese no-name. It's interesting bitting. But since it's Chinese, bitting doesn't really matter because they are all sensible to such an attack is rocking. They are very susceptible to that and just zip a little bit sometime and they run open pretty quickly usually. There we go. Open. Lock it back up. And it still works. So thank you guys for watching and please stay golf.